Hello! Right, we're at another campsite and it's a fisheries as well, a fly fishery. Fantastic. I've had some beautiful time down there doing a bit of fly casting, a bit of fly fishing. Keep watching and you'll see a bit of that at the end. And also, we had a wildlife rescue. You won't believe this. That's at the end as well, so have a little look. It's called Farleton or Farleton Fisheries. It's basically about 5-10 minutes from the last site we was on, Little Acre, and yeah, it's beautiful, really nice. I'll give you a walk round and show you about. I hope you like those last little videos I did and the cooking one. What do you think? Alright, not too bad. I'll keep doing them, see if I get any better. But anyway, let's show you around here. I hope you're all safe and well, and show you a bit of fishing and a little look around the campsite. There's a tea room here as well. It's open Thursdays, Saturdays and Sundays, and it's a cracking place, really nice, right close to the M6, so we'll probably use this as our little stopover when we go to Scotland in future. It's absolutely lovely. The guys that own it are fantastic. You got Frank and his wife Julie, who you book in with. Frank's a right character, old school farmer, right nice old boy. I was having a good old chinwag with him, and he had some orphan lambs that he's hand rearing. So he had all these little milk bottles on his little, he rides around on an electric disability scooter, zooms around the site. It's flipping massive, great big site. It's got 2 huge lakes on it that are fly fishing only. I think you can only fish one of them though. The other one's got grass carp in it. They're like dolphins. I see one flip out the other day. Christ, it was big. But I don't know if you can fish that one. But if you have a word with Frank, he'll give you a ticket. If you like a bit of fly fishing, he gives you a ticket. You go down there and you can have 2 hours. It's £2 for an hour. Or you can go on the website for the fisheries and get a day ticket, which allows you to take 2 fish. I didn't take any, all monocatcher and release. So all the ones you see at the end have all been released and they're all swimming around happily in the lake again. So anyway, let's show you around and catch you later on. Right, so here we are. You come through these gates, you give them a tinkle, they'll open the gates up for you. I live in that house to the left there. And this is the entrance to the farm. As I say, it's a massive place. Well, it's a farm. Huge, great big place. Really nice, really friendly owners. And as you come up this approach area, over to the left there, that's their chooks and where all their chickens live. That's a chicken field and a half, isn't it? There's loads there. And we go over to this gate. And this gate, sometimes they shut this gate. If you look at the top of the gate, there's a drop down barrier which they shut to stop the unsavoury types coming in and taking the caravans if they feel like it. There's the old chickens, look. Lovely. Our friends Jason and Jackie Sears have got chickens. Can't beat a fresh egg, can you? So there we go. Tea room and plant nursery. There's a nursery there, as I said. They told you the opening times for them. And then you're coming down here. So to your left there, that's where you're going to drive up. Right in front of you there is the tea room, and that's the car park for the tea room. Now down right in front of you there are the seasonal pitches. There's some seasonal pitches there. And just over behind that vehicle with the sheep trailer on, there's 2 toilets and showers. Now this little building here is a little centre that does bird food and bits and bobs, bird feeders and stuff for your hose pipes, and he also does lawnmowers and bits and bobs like that, fixes lawnmowers. Really nice chap, got me right out of Stuck. One of my nuts fell off of my chair, so he had one and he gave it to me. Nice chap. So around the back of that tea room are 2 showers and toilets, really clean. And the tea room, we're going to go and sample that tomorrow because it's Thursday tomorrow. But yeah, round the back of there is your shower and toilets if you need them. In that little box there are your bins and also your Elson point, your chemical toilet disposal point. Nice big long hose and a long drop. No splashback in that one. So really nice hose, powerful, really good at cleaning that. Really good. So right in front of you by that gate post is a water point. There's quite a few of them around the site. Old Frank will show you in and he'll give you a little guided tour of the site, show you where the bits and pieces are when you turn up. That's where the other water point is, where I'm pointing now. A lot of these caravans that are on here at the moment are seasonal. I think that's caravan storage there. There's people backwards and forwards there. So that's the water point I just pointed to. Over the back you can see the lakes. And that's us there. You got some touring pitches to your right. They're all nice and flat. You might need a little bit of a chock on there. And then over the back in front of you there, behind them caravans, is the river. There's a little river that runs up and down there. Frank said there's kingfishers that get on that, fly up and down. But obviously you've got to be there when the kingfishers fly past to see it. There's the boy, old Raven, sitting there guarding Gladys, as he does in the sunshine. But it's the first nice day we've had for ages here. And that's your lake. And that's the big lake at the front where you can fly fish. As you can see, there's people there. There's my fly fishing gear. And then the one over the back of that is the other lake with the grass carping. Pretty nice, eh? That's the car parking for the fisheries over the back there, where the chaps come in with the day tickets and the syndicate. Over the back there's some more touring pitches and a toilet. So there's the touring pitches, electrical cups, and there's a toilet and shower in here. Very clean, as I said, spotless. Old Frank gets round there and does them all. Good old boy. But yeah, they're nice, aren't they? Nice little cubicle. There's my fly fishing gear. Yes. All Orvis. Tackle tartan, aren't I? And there's the boy sitting there guarding Gladys. So yeah, that's the site. Let's go in for a cup of tea, shall we? Happy days. There we go. Happy flipping days. Job done.
Oh, the bird got stuck. Leave it. Leave it. I think it does. Yeah. You leave it. Oh, look, I'm going to take him home.
There you go. Rescue jackdaw.
Hey!